Alright, just got my Francotte Nepalese Martini-Henry in the mail. Gonna open it up, check it out, see what it looks like. See what overall condition it's in. From the International Military Antiques website. A lot of bubbles. That's it. So, look on the outside there. Alright, let's open this up. The best way, just across. Got this from International Military Antiques, so it's shipped from New Jersey. Edison, New Jersey, I think. Right around there. Did a pretty decent job of packing. There's no cracks or anything. I'll be excited to see if the stock is undamaged. Any, there we go. Ooh, and actually, it's a little, frozen up a little bit. Not actually, not in too bad shape. It's just covered in filth. Interesting thing about this, it still has the caulking indicator on it, which is kind of neat. I think when I ordered this, they only made, when they found the cache in Kathmandu, they only made about 2 or 3 dozen of these that had caulking indicators, and they don't know if these were made before or after the oh, yep, here it is, missing the front sight here. Huh. Well, you can get a replacement for that. I guess that wasn't guaranteed. As usual, the butt plate is missing too. You can get replacements for that. Actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. A couple cracks here. Swivel, front one's still there. Yeah, not too bad. There's a little crack here, it's a little loose. We'll see if we can get this cleaned up and take a better look at it. Basically, these rifles were found in a fortress in Nepal where they had been sitting for 120 years. You know, at the time, Nepal was a British vassal state, essentially, part of their sphere of influence north of British India. And these guns were supplied to them by the British. And this one, actually, the Francottes, were actually built by the Nepalese, by their gun makers. And not a whole lot is known about these rifles. I don't even know if they're safe to shoot. I'm guessing not, but I guess you could have them inspected. But I'm going to clean this one up and hopefully see if I can find any interesting markings or more information about these guns. But like I said, they've been sitting in storage for close to 120 years. No one's really interacted with them. Time's just kind of taken its toll, but you can still clean it up. And they were, at least the bores were kept filled with yak grease. Which acts kind of as a substitute for cosmoline, but I don't know. We'll see. But not too much pitting, and the wood's not really cracked. The only thing is it's missing the sights here, but I guess you can have that replaced. A little crack there, and of course, buttstock, or the butt plate is missing, which is to be expected, but not bad for what I paid for it.